SuperMindz.
Hey kids, today we're sharing some awesome tips to help you succeed and have fun at school. Let's get started. 1. Always be prepared. Bring all necessary supplies like pencils, notebooks, and textbooks. 2. Stay organized. Use folders and planners to keep track of assignments and due dates. 3. Ask questions. If you don't understand something, ask your teacher or classmate. 4. Do your homework. Completing homework helps reinforce what you've learned in class. 5. Participate in class. Answering questions and participating in discussions can help you learn better. 6. Make friends. School is a great place to make new friends and learn about teamwork. 7. Listen to your teacher. Paying attention in class is important for understanding new information. Be respectful. Show respect to your teachers and classmates. 9. Stay positive. A positive attitude can make learning more enjoyable and less stressful. 10. Take breaks. It's important to take short breaks while studying to keep your mind fresh. 11. Stay healthy. Eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and get plenty of sleep. 12. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands regularly and keep your personal space clean. 13. Manage your time. Prioritize your task and manage your time effectively to avoid last-minute stress. 14. Follow school rules. Understanding and following school rules help create a safe and orderly environment. 15. Join extracurricular activities. Participating in clubs, sports, or other activities can be fun and rewarding. 16. Read daily. Reading books, magazines, or articles can improve your vocabulary and comprehension skills. 17. Help others. Offer to help classmates who might be struggling with their work. 18. Set goals. Setting academic and personal goals can give you direction and motivation. 19. Use technology wisely. Learn to use educational apps and resources responsibly. 20. Stay curious. Always be curious and eager to learn new things. 21. Respect diversity. Appreciate and respect the differences in cultures, backgrounds, and opinions. 22. Stay safe online. Be cautious about the information you share online and with whom you share it. 23. Take notes. Writing down important points during class can help you remember and understand the material better. 24. Practice mindfulness. Techniques like deep breathing can help you stay calm and focused. And last, number 25. Celebrate your achievements. Celebrate your successes no matter how small and learn from your mistakes. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it.
If you had fun today, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.